It's the most wonderful time of the year. All right, this is Dami. Welcome to the Mix Room. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Over the past few months, this channel has grown to over 500 subscribers, precisely 929 subscribers. I am very, very grateful and I am touched by you guys' support of the channel. So I just want to say a big thank you. And this is my way of saying thank you. There is going to be a giveaway. I'm going to be giving out 2 free mixes, mixing plus mastering as well. So I'm going to be giving out 2 free mix and mastering. So if I mix the song, then I master it, right? That's kind of what I mean. This is just for 2 people, just 2 winners. Now, what do you have to do to qualify for this? Stay tuned. You know, when I started this channel, the goal was really to help mixers, both beginner mixers, intermediate mixers as well. I've been doing this for over a decade, at least about 11 years, maybe to be precise, about 11 years, and I've learned a ton along this journey, right? And there's still so much that I'm still learning on a daily basis, right? So, but the goal of the channel was really to help you. It wasn't just to provide you a already made version, but it's to show you how to get there, right? I don't just want to give you the fish each time, but show you exactly how to catch the fish, yourself too, right? So, and that's why most of my tutorials, they're probably maybe long form tutorials, but I try to break down each step and also my thought process behind things. And I really, again, just want to thank you for going on this journey with me as we build this community together. Right. So now back to the giveaway. How do you qualify for the giveaway? Just 3 things you have to do. Number 1 is subscribe if you haven't done so already. Number 2 is to like this video. And number 3 is to leave a comment. Now, here are the instructions for the comments you're going to leave. The first one is, tell me what genre of music you make, and also what are your struggles when it comes to mixing. That's the first question. What genre of music you make, and what do you struggle with most when it comes to mixing? And then number 2, what has been the most helpful thing you've learned from this channel, the Mix Room? Response or a long one, whichever one, but I just want it to be quality, right? And this is what I'm going to look at before I select the 2 winners, right? I will do it randomly, but at the same time don't know exactly how random that would be, because it's only 2 people, but we'll see before I select the 2 winners, right? I will do it randomly, but at the same time don't know exactly how random that would be, because it's only 2 people, but we'll see depending on the numbers of I would say maybe if I get over like 50 comments down there, then it's going to be random. But anyways, I would think about how to actually choose a winner, right? So those 2 things, just leave those comments in your answers in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and leave your answers in there. So I'm looking forward to working on your song. And also, you get to taste, what some of the analog gear sounds like, or what impact it can make on your mix, right? So I'm going to be mixing hybrid. When I do that, use my mix bus chain most especially. So I'll be doing a hybrid when I mix it. So again, if you win, if you're the lucky winner, I'm going to mix and master your song. And one thing to point out is this is not just a random YouTube mix that we're doing for tutorial purposes. No, this is going to be, I'm treating you like a real client. Your opinion matters, your vision for the song matters, and so that's how we're going to do it. It's just that it's free, but I'm treating you like a paid client. And this is my way of just giving back to all of you guys. It's been an amazing journey so far. Thank you. And there is more to come next year, 2026. There's way more to come. Also, I'm going to leave this window open for maybe 7 to 10 days, or let's just cap it at 10 days. 10 days, and then the window for this giveaway will be closed in January. So between now, December 25th, and perhaps January 5, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give your answers to the questions in the comment section below. Thank you again so much, and have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. Bye.